Hello there, this is FairBinaryOptions.com. It is Friday, the 14th of November. I would like to take a look at the US dollar Japanese yen. As over the last sessions, it formed a bullish triangle. You might say, what kind of a bullish triangle? Because this resembles with a rising wedge. Well, this rising wedge is actually a bullish triangle. This triangle is called the running variation of a contracting triangle, and it goes in the following fashion. By the time it starts, it has the wave A to the downside, then the B wave, the C, the D, the E, and then breaks higher. It looks like a rising wedge. It is supposed to look like a rising wedge, and it is supposed to attract a lot of bears here at the top, because everyone knows that rising wedge is falling and the falling wedge is rising, but stubbornly will stay at the highs, and the explosion to the upside will be quite impressive by the time the B2D trend line is broken. And I'm talking about by the time this is broken here. Now, this one here. Now, is it broken yet or not? I would say that our triangular formation starts from here, right above this opening with the gap higher, and then we have what? We have the first wave, or wave A to the downside, to be done here. Then the B wave here, the C wave here, the D wave here. So this is A, B, C, D, E, and then we need to break the B2D trend line. So this is A, B, C, D, E, and then we need to break the B2D trend line. So it might be very well that the D wave is not done here, but the D wave to be done here with the triangle A, B, C, D, E here, and this is the D wave actually here, like this. Then we have the E wave to be done with another triangular formation, A, B, C, D, E. So this will be the end, or this will be when this triangle ends, and this should be the end of the D wave, like mentioned a bit earlier. Now, what would be the A and C trend line? It's going to be the trend line here, of course. The B2D trend line is going to be the one here. And what do you know if you are looking at the B2D trend line here? The B2D trend line is actually, or has been broken with this spike higher. So normally now we should look only for the thrust of the triangle, but the thrust of this triangle goes something like 161.8 when compared with the B wave. And all we have to do is to take a Fibonacci retracement, measure the length of the B wave, take the 161.8 and put it by the moment the triangle ended, and we said that the triangle ended here, and surprise, surprise, you will have what? Well, you will have 120. Now, that being the case, it means that the US dollar Japanese yen actually is not going to stop until 120 comes. And what to do there, even though it is a Friday? So I would only buy call options, and this is Friday in the beginning, in the middle of November. I would buy call options with end of day expiration date here. I would buy call options with end of month expiration date here, and I will buy call options with 1 week expiration date, like my broker, for example, allows to buy 1 week expiration date for next Thursday when the US markets are closing. So all in all, I'm staying long on the US dollar Japanese yen. This triangle is extremely bullish, not bullish. So buying call options with end of day, week, 1 week, and even month expiration date, as this baby is normally flying way higher than the current levels. Thank you very much for being here. This is BinaryOptions.net, FairBinaryOptions.com, and we're looking at strong US dollar Japanese yen. Bye bye.